Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Claude for data analysis. So let's get started. Claude makes it easy to turn raw data into useful insights without requiring complicated software or advanced technical skills. First, open your web browser, go to Claude, and start a new chat. Beginning with a fresh conversation helps keep the discussion focused on your data and ensures responses stay relevant. Next, paste your data directly into the chat. You can use CSV data, tables, spreadsheet content converted to plain text, or even a simple list of numbers. Once your data is ready, ask Claude a clear and specific question. For example, you can ask it to identify sales trends, compare the performance of different regions, analyze monthly results, or detect unusual patterns in the data. Claude will examine the information, identify relationships between variables, highlight top-performing categories, and point out any anomalies or areas that deserve further investigation. Within moments, Claude generates detailed insights that can help you better understand your data. It can reveal which products are selling the most, which regions generate the highest revenue, where performance is declining, and what opportunities may exist to improve business decisions. If you need a professional summary, simply ask Claude to create a report based on the dataset. It can produce a well-organized report that includes key findings, important trends, actionable recommendations, and an easy-to-read summary. You can also customize the output by asking Claude to write in a specific tone or format, whether it's for a business presentation, school project, marketing report, or research document. That's how you can use Claude as a powerful and easy-to-use data analysis assistant. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.